Hi.
Hey, Ashley, sorry, I'm still trying to figure this out and it's not working.
That's okay. It's tricky.
We'll see if everyone else figures it out.
I noticed that because there's like an event page and it's kind of creepy. You can just like watch the thing, the call, but you can't like go into it.
How did you get into it?
I have a little Google, like when we first had to set up the Google Hangouts or whatever, there's a little icon on my menu bar or something, like on my internet. And
Uh-huh.
I click that, and then it says that I had a message from you, and so from there I was able to get in.
Okay, so hopefully they're watching. They can do that.
Oh, it's a little creepy.
I know.
How have you been?
I'm good. Just hanging out at home.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I was emailing JC the wrong email address, so that's why he hasn't been joining us, is because I've
Oh
been emailing the
no.
wrong person.
Oh, that's too bad.
So hopefully we can to get him on tonight. There's two viewers, so I think they're trying to figure out how to do this.
Mhm. I'm posting a thing on the event page.
Okay. No.
JC just said I'm watching, but I'm computer stupid. And Jace said I'm watching, but can't get in.
Okay. Um,
Is there a way to send like an invite to their inboxes?
Let me try. I'll do that. Tell them that, and I'll send another one if I can
Okay.
figure out how to do that. Hold on.
JC just said I'm watching, but I'm computer stupid.
Oh, that's weird.
I figured
And
it
Jace
out.
said,
Okay, now pause your one that you were watching.
Oh,
"Is
okay.
there a way to send like?" Oh goodness.
She just tackle you? You okay?
Okay, let me.
Alright, sweet.
Welcome. Sorry about the mix-up on everything.
Fine. So, what did we do the first meeting this week that I missed?
We did lesson 4, and we
Okay.
just kind of went over the quiz because we kind of all understood what was going on. Do you have
Okay.
any questions on that one?
Nope, I'm good.
Okay. I invited JC, the other one.
Jace.
Jace, yeah. So hopefully he'll get that and click on to us.
Yeah, he said he's watching but can't get in a little bit ago, so hopefully he can.
There was a little thing to the side on my screen, and it said new Hangouts, and then it had a green video camera, and that's where I clicked to get in. So if that helps him if he's watching.
Okay, so we usually just go over the prep assignment and then we click on the quiz and go over the quiz together. So let's just start on that, and then if Jace figures it out or hits my link, then we can get it. Ashley, will you send him a message and say send him a new link
Yeah.
to get on?
Yes.
So we'll just start on, I guess, number 6, part 2 of the prep assignment. And we just read through them and then answer questions together. So the mean score of all the GRE scores is 150.8 with a standard deviation of 8.8. The scores on the scores on the quantitative portion of the GRE are approximately normally distributed with the mean U, which is the...
So the mean is the 150.8, yeah?
Okay. And then the standard deviation of 8.8.
Mm-hmm.
So B is what portion of the people who take the quantitative portion of the GRE will score above a 1.65.
Is this?
I'm so lost. Where are we, guys?
So on the, like, let me go back to my other page here. So on in lesson 5, there's an individual prep part,
Oh, okay.
and then we're just doing the preparation assignment.
Okay, that's what I was looking at.
So then I just have it written, printed out, and so we just go over the part B together, part 2.
Mm-hmm.
So that's where I'm reading from, and then we from there we'll go to as soon as we answer these questions, we go back to the group meeting and then do the quiz on it. So
Perfect.
okay. Sorry. Okay. And then so we were doing B.
What proportion of the people who take the quantitative portion of the GRE will score above 165? Is this the part where we have to find the z-score and put it in the applet?
I think so. I think we just need to compute the z, and then have to figure out what, whatever that is.
So 1.
Because when I did find the z-score thing, I got 1.617, and so that's more than 1.5 deviations away from the mean.
Wait, what did you get for the z-score?
Well, on my calculator it's 1.613. Oh, 1.6137. Well, rounded.
Right. Okay.
And then.
So, wait, what were you saying?
So that's. I'm just trying to look here. So that's 1.6136 away from the standard deviation. So there's 0 would be the one.
Applet thing, or?
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Where are you getting that off of?
Out of my head.
Oh. The 1.3?
1.61.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's a z-score, right?
Yes. The next part I was getting confused.
Okay.
You guys can move the chairs. It's not a big deal. Actually, maybe not that one. Move that one. I think the back on that one's broken, so if you lean back, it'll just fall all the way back.
Hey, Jason, mute your other thing.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Mute your playing one.
Say what?
Mute your other one that you were watching a minute ago.
Oh, can you hear both of them?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Alright, is that better?
No.
I got rid of it. You know how hard it's so hard to get into this program. It's retarded. It should have been way easy. It was so hard.
You closed your other one?
Yeah, this is the only thing I have open.
Does anyone else have one open?
I don't. I don't.
No, it might just be background noise. I don't know.
Yeah, it's not me. I swear.
Okay.
I don't hear anything.
Can you guys hear anything, or am I the only one hearing stuff?
I can't hear anything. I'm fine.
Okay. So no one else is hearing anything except for me.
You're the only one.
Okay, that's weird. Okay. Sorry, I'm gonna try to figure this out. But let's read the questions.
Is it me? Is it my turn?
Wait,
We're on
did we
7. Right?
finish B?
Oh.
Because we found the z-score, but we didn't, unless, maybe this is the part I was confused about, but we didn't find the proportion of, okay, the proportion of people who will score above 165. Where did Stephanie go?
She got bored.
I think she was trying to exit out of that thing that was making noise. And then,
She was trying to exit out. And,
Oh.
all right, what problem are you guys even working on?
6B.
6B. Okay.
if I'm gonna, does our teacher like see these videos
Yep.
that we have?
Uh-huh.
Does he watch these? Okay, because like he's gonna be like, these guys don't know what they're doing with their computers.
It's a tricky thing. Okay, I think I figured it out.
Okay. So you want to go on to 7?
Well, did everybody else get?
Yeah, I'm good to go.
Yeah, what was your question about it?
Well, I didn't understand something, but then I just put it in the applet and I got it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm good.
Perfect.
Yes, JC, do you want to read C?
What is the quantitative GRE score for the student who scored in the 10th percentile? So, did anybody have any questions on that one?
Did you for C?
Yeah,
Did you guys already do all of this? Because I did not.
I looked over this one. I just really
Yeah.
quickly looked over it.
Oh, you both already did it? I thought we were supposed to do it together, so I didn't do it.
I always just go over it while I'm doing the first one just because it makes it easier. Because this one was really long.
It was really long, and I did not start on this until I got home from work today, like 20 minutes ago. So.
Okay. Yeah, it's not too bad. It just takes a while to like do the reading and stuff, but
Yeah, I did the reading. I just didn't do these questions.
I did it because I was just tripped out that on iLearn he said it was due on like Tuesday or something. But then he switched to Saturday already, so.
did any of you guys do the actual homework?
I haven't
Not
done
yet.
the homework yet.
Oh.
Okay, I figured it out. Sorry. So are we working on 7 then?
We just looked at 6C.
Okay.
So.
So how do we, if a student scores at 10%, what are their corresponding z-scores? How do we find that out? Does anyone know?
Yeah.
Sorry, what was the question?
On that, how do we find if the student scores in the 10th percentile, what would their corresponding z-score be? How do we find that out?
There's a section in the textbook that I'm looking at right now because I don't.
Yeah, it just gives you a formula, and if you punch in the numbers to the formula, then it gives you the z-score.
So is that like it gives you the z-score, but how does that convert to a percentile? Or is that the thing?
Oh, you put that, if it's already in a z whatever, you put it in the whatever that one program thing is.
Right, but how? So how do you do C? Is basically what we're asking.
Okay, hold on 1 second, let me look at it. Oh, okay. So you do this one backwards. So on that little program thing, you just go ahead and put the 10th percentile as the one that you're looking for. And so you put it in the 10 at the very top in the area section, and that'll tell you what your z-score is.
You write 10 or
Point 10, like 0.10.
Oh.
And then that shows you what your z-score is for the 10th percentile.
That's easy.
And then everything to the left is just whatever. Now we're just looking for the z-score.
Okay. Okay. So D is what is the quantitative GRE score for the student who scores in the 10th percentile?
Was that a question, or what were you saying?
Yeah, on 6D, we're just that answer. So how do you find the GRE score for that student who scored that?
This is the part I was looking at in the textbook. It's in section 2.4. It like works it through it. It's like algebra, basically. You would put the z-score, so it would be negative 1.22. Was that what it was? Or 282? What? What am I looking at? Yeah. Negative 1.282. And then equals x minus the mean over the standard.
Okay, so it's the 150.8 over 8.8, and then the other x would be
1.282.
Okay. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Do you guys want to move on to 7 then?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. So are y'all ready, Ashley and Jace?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. The mean speed of hydro at a room temperature is 1800 ms with a standard deviation of 600 ms. At the room temperature, the speed of hydraulics H2 particles is approximately normal, with a proportional mean of u equals blank meters per second ms and a standard deviation of what? So it would just be the 1800, right? Because that's what our
and then the 6.
Yeah, and then the 600. So what is the probability that a randomly selected particle has a speed over 2500 ms? So 1.166.
167 rounded, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay. Did everyone get that answer?
Yeah, I'm good.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So C would be just computing the answer of the probability that a randomly selected particle has the speed. So it's what the 2500 minus what it usually is divided by the 600, and that gives us our z-score.
Mm-hmm.
And then if we plug it into that program that Jay taught us how to use, so you just minus, okay, I still don't get this one. Can anyone explain that part to me? So you just put it in, and then the area at top is what your answer is?
Mm. So
Yeah, but since it's looking for what's over that, so that gives you the z-score, and then it should just be the area to the right.
Oh, okay.
So if you
All right.
if you only blew in the positive side of the right z-score.
Okay. And it's equal to 1, so if you minus that. Okay, got it. Okay, so do we want to keep going over this, or do we want to go to the quiz? Because it's 8:30. What do you guys think?
Let's hit the quiz.
Yeah, that's fine with me.
Okay.
Sweet. Group meeting.
Okay, so go to the quiz, and then we'll just start that. So we're all there on the quiz now?
I'm almost there.
Okay. So let me know when you're there so we can start.
Yes, sorry. There's like a million things.
Ready when you are.
All right, I'm good.
Okay, so number 1 and 2, just do by yourselves. So 3 says the total area under a density curve must equal 1.
Yes,
That's correct.
I think so.
Okay. Number 4, does anyone else agree or disagree on that answer?
What did we decide it was? Just one?
Just one.
All right, yeah.
Okay. Number 4, under certain circumstances, a density curve can drop below the x-axis. I think that's false.
Yeah, I think so too.
I agree.
Okay. A normal density curve is symmetric. True?
Normal, I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Use the following image to answer questions 6 and 7. Number 6, which of the following elements of the figure represents the z-score in this image? So the z-score is,
C?
yeah.
Oh.
I guess if anyone opposes, say something. Which of the following elements of the figure represents the probability that a random variable z will be greater than 1%? Would that be B? Because it's greater than on that side.
I don't know because it's not blue. Because if it was blue, then it would be representing that it was talking about that portion.
Or is that just talking about what's less than or up to that point?
Because to me, this picture is saying that this is showing what's less than because the blue part is to the left. But I don't know.
I would say B. I think normally it would be what you just said, but I think it's just asking in general, maybe.
I think it's B too.
Okay.
Because A is everything below 1.0. So then that would be less than instead of greater than.
Okay.
Okay, so does someone else want to read some questions?
I got one.
Okay.
According to the 68, 95, 99.7% rule, what proportion of the data from a bell-shaped distribution will be within one standard deviation of the mean?
68.
Yep, that's what I did.
Suppose random variable z has a standard normal distribution. Use the normal applet to answer this question. What proportion of the values from this random variable will be between -1 and 1? Give your answer as a decimal accurate to 3 decimal places. Example, you can see that part.
$1.025. Anyone?
I'm at 0.683.
I got 0.1587.
How did you get your answer?
I did it wrong. That's what happened. I just put that as the z-score, but I don't think that's right. Like I typed 1 and -1 in the bottom part, but that's not what it's asking. So, I don't know. How did you do yours?
Well, just on that normal applet thing, if you put it at 1 and -1.
Right, that's what I did.
Or is that 0.316? I'm trying to get it at 1, but...
Oh, my blue parts, they're different. Never mind.
So I just got 0.6827. Is that... Did anybody get that? Oh, crap.
I'm kind of confused.
I got that. So rounded it would be 0.683.
Yeah. That's what I got.
Wait, what did you do?
You just highlight the middle, just the middle part when it's the z-scores are at 1 and -1.
Oh, then I got the same thing.
Okay. That makes sense.
0.683, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay, so number 10 then. Suppose random variable z has a standard normal distribution. Use normal output to answer the question. What proportion of the values from the random variable will be between -2 and 2? Give your answer in a decimal form.
So this is just the same thing, but with twos?
Yeah.
Okay. 0.956.
But what did you say?
0.956 with the rounding.
Is it 9?
When you put the twos in and the middle's highlighted? No? Is that wrong?
I just got 955.
I got 0.9545. And then I rounded it.
954. That's 955.
Just kidding, I can't round. That's what happened there.
I was really confused. I was like, wait a second.
I confused myself. Sorry about that.
No, you're good. That's what I got too.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go to 11 then. So it's the same thing, but it's between -3 and 3.
It has been a really long day.
So 9976.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Wait. Yeah. Well, 0.997.
I got 0.997 now.
Okay, so we don't need that last one.
Mhm.
Doesn't matter, just the third, I guess. Oh, 3 decimal places. Okay. Look carefully at your answers at the last 3 questions. What do you observe? They match. The values match. The 6869, the first one.
Okay.
Okay. Any no's on that one, or are we going to go with that?
Good to go.
Okay. Does someone want to read 13?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
The amount of protein that an individual must consume is different for every person. There are solid theoretical ideas that suggest that the protein requirement will be normally distributed in the population of the United States. The protein requirement is given in terms of the number of grams of good quality protein that must be consumed each day per kilogram of body weight. The population mean protein requirement for adults is 0.66 grams p times kilograms to the -1 times d to the -1. And the population standard deviation is that number. Use this information to answer question 1417. What portion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than that number?
So I got 008.008 or 9, I guess. Oh, that's not right. So it's less than 1 standard deviation away from, or is it?
I think I'm confused because so like I found the z-score and then I put the z-score in the applet and then I like highlighted the left side, but I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do. I think I'm just a little bit confused. I don't know if anyone else understands what to do.
So what did you get?
I know
Sorry.
I have it. I know that I have it wrong, but I'm still just looking to trying to figure it out. So, I don't. I'll let you know.
Okay. Well,
so Ashley, what did you get for your z-score then?
So my z-score was negative 0.857.
Okay.
And my area value is 0.1957. And I don't know if that's wrong. I just don't know if I'm doing it right. If I'm understanding it correctly, then I think it's right, but maybe I'm wrong.
That's what I got for my answer is 0.196.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Then maybe it's right. I don't...
Yeah, 0.196. Well, two of us.
So your z-score was 0.857, right?
Yes.
Negative 8.57.
Yeah.
And then where did you go from there?
Then I went into the applet, and I just put it in the z-score box, and then highlighted the left portion of the bell curve.
Okay. Oh, okay.
And then use the area.
All right, I see it. Okay, that's what I got too, so let's put that in.
Okay.
Okay.
And then, so it's going to be the opposite of what we got on this one. So does that mean ours should be, or is it the same answer?
No, I don't think it would be the same.
Wouldn't you just highlight the other side?
Yeah, I just highlighted the exact opposite side.
So
for 14, you just do the opposite.
0.96.
I got 0.804.
That's what I got.
What?
It's the full thing, not just the one side.
Yeah, it's the whole.
Anything above 0.60, I think. Yeah.
Yes, then I got that too.
So it's both sides of that thing? Of the. Okay, so 3. What did you say?
0.804.
804. Yeah.
Does that sound right, or you think it's just from that one side?
I think it's the whole. I think it's that way. The whole.
Okay.
I agree.
That's
That
what I
makes
was
sense.
thinking.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so and then number 15.
Population has a protein requirement that is less than 0.70 grams. Kilograms -1 times D -1.
So it's just the same, not like the same process, right?
Yeah.
Process is the other one. So coming up with the same process. So I'm coming up with 0.716.
For your final answer.
Yeah.
And that is, what was it? Portion between less than 0.7. What did you get, JC?
0.716. know if that's right. That's
I got
just
0.284.
That's what I got.
the
Do you, JC, do you have the middle highlighted and the left?
yes.
Okay, I just have the left highlighted for this one.
Yeah, that's what I did too.
Okay.
But isn't it pretty much the same as 14?
Well, because it's the less than 0.7, that's why I just did the thing. The left. I don't know though. Because that's the logic we used in 13. And it was the same question with a different value.
Oh, right. Right. Yes.
So 0.716.
I got 0.284.
Oh, yeah, okay, sorry, I had to click off that.
Okay, we can do that.
Okay, so let's,
Wait, so what did we decide that was? Just the 0.284?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, last question then.
To find the area between two values, you can subtract the area to the left of each of them. Make sure your answer is positive. This is the probability that a randomly selected observation will lie between the two values. Find the probability that a randomly selected person will have a protein requirement that is between 0.60 and 0.70. Give your answer as a decimal 3 places.
So does the other ones need to be negative?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
What are we subtracting?
We're subtracting
So, like,
between the 60 and 70.
Oh,
I'm confused.
that I am.
So less than 70, but more than 60. So would you just minus number 14 from number 15, the points that we got?
Maybe. I tried doing 13 from... I tried something else and it was negative, so that was wrong.
No,
Because it's going to be between 60 and 70, and so this one's, so 14 is more than 60, and then 15 is less than 70. So I think you would just subtract 14 from 15, and that would be your answer, because
So
that would be in
0.52?
between those. Yeah.
I really don't know.
I think we do the 15 minus what we got for 13.
Why do you think that?
Because it's the well, because it says it's been. I'm just using really dumb logic, but it says it's in between 0.6, 0.7, and I don't know, it just made more sense to me. It was more in the middle if we went, because I still put my answer. I'm still putting my answer because I think that 15 is still I think you're supposed to still highlight the whole thing on 15. So I'm coming up with 0.716, and then when I subtract 0.716 when I subtract 196 from it, is what we got on 13. It came out to be 520. It's in between 0.6, 0.7.
Okay.
That makes sense.
See, and if you do that same thing, JC, of the 0.804, and then from the answer, the other answer, 0.284,
Yeah.
that one we have, it gets 0.5202.
So it could be either way. So maybe maybe it's 0.520. Maybe I should just submit and see if I got 15 wrong and 16 and let you know.
I'm just going to submit mine and see what happens here. Okay, 15's wrong on mine, so is it right on yours?
So what did you have, 15?
0.284.
Okay, and I had 0.716, so I'll submit mine.
So I submitted mine too, and I got 15 wrong, but I got 16 right.
So 16 is 0.520.
Uh-huh.
Okay, let me submit and see if my 15's right. So if it is, then we just have to highlight the whole thing instead of just...
But then didn't you have a different answer for 16 though?
No, it came out the same.
Yeah, my 15's right. So it's
Sweet.
it's just like 13. You just highlight the whole thing.
Okay. Sweet.
So it's
Okay.
0.716.
Okay.
All right, so wait, I missed that. Sorry, which one did we do wrong? The number 15.
Yeah, you highlight the whole thing.
All right. All right, so we highlight the full thing and it comes out with 0.716.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
All right, and then 14, did we decide that one was okay?
Yeah, I think so.
So 14 and 13 are okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's just that one.
Funny. That's funny that you can do that one either way and it comes out the same.
I know.
That is funny.
All right, and then so for 16, we just subtracted 0.716 or 0.804 from 0.716, or we subtract the 15 and 13.
No, you subtract, the 15 and 13, so the 0.716 and the 0.19.
Okay. So we're done for tonight, right?
Yep.
Perfect.
Okay, so next Tuesday we're filming one still?
Yeah, 8 o'clock still? Is that what we're trying to do Tuesday, Thursday?
Yeah. Okay, then I'll
Sounds good.
hopefully get this
Bye.
down. See you guys next time.
Yeah.